Okay, this video is for anyone who has copied a sales page or a lead capture page out of this website section here. So if you're brand new and you haven't made a copy of one of the pages inside the website section, if you have not copied a sales page inside this website section here, then you can disregard this video. This video is not for you. Again, this is only for those that have clicked on websites here and decided that they were going to make a copy of one of these lead capture pages that has a video in it, or any sales page that has a video in it. Now, what YouTube did as of today is they changed their coding, and they did something kind of funky. I'm not sure what they did, but all of these pages now, the sound is working, but there's no picture. The screen is black. Now we're going through every single page inside our system and we're updating it right now. So from this point on, once you copy a page or a sales page, you're going to be just fine. But you know, this is for all of you who have copied a page, a lead capture page, or a sales page up until this very point, and that's, you copied over the code that's no longer working to be able to see the video. Now, what you're going to have to do, it's actually really simple. If you've got a lot of them, it might take a few minutes to do, but you're going to hover over websites, hover over web pages, and click on My Web Pages. All right, so you're going to want to check every single one of these pages that has a video on it. Now, some pages have, as you know, have a video on top, and then they have like a smaller video on the bottom. So if you've copied any one of those pages, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go through, obviously, and test each one. All right, I haven't fixed this one here, so I'm going to click on test link, and I'm going to go here.
Distribution.
Okay, now you notice, right? You can hear it, but the screen is black. All right, so that's what I mean. I mean, if you've shared funnels, or you've got pages out there that you're marketing, you got to follow these steps. So here's what you do. It's actually really simple. So what you're going to do is find a page that it's got the video on it that's black, click on edit, and click on edit text. And what you're going to do is search for the letters VQ. V as in Victor, Q. And so let me do that right now. I'm going to type in VQ. Oh, first of all, obviously you got to click on source. I forgot to do that. All right, so I'm going to type in from scratch VQ. And there it shows up right here. All right, so what you're going to do, and the way I brought up that little search, I just hit Control F as in Frank on my keypad. You can search for it by hand, or use that little search feature that every computer has. Once you find the words VQ, you're going to see one of two things. You're going to see VQ equals large, colon, or, okay, so you're going to see either VQ equals HD 720 and the colon, or you're going to see VQ equals large, colon. When you see either one of those two, you're simply going to delete it. Now, don't forget the colon, and don't accidentally delete the R that comes up next. So it's either VQ equals HD 720 colon, or VQ equals large, colon. Okay, so either one of those, you're going to highlight it. Don't forget the colon, and you're just going to backspace or delete or whatever, and then you're going to save your changes. All right, so then I'm going to click on view, and there you go. Now it works. All right, so I've got a lot of pages that I've got to, I personally have to do that for. I've got a list here. I've got to go through every one and make sure all those videos are visible. And if I see a video that's black, I have to follow those steps that I just showed you. And again, after today, once you copy a lead capture page, or a sales page inside the website section, you're going to be fine. Okay, it's just anything you've copied up until today that you're going to have the issue with. And again, I'm not talking about, the background image ones. They still work, thank goodness. You don't have to do anything with those. So just check all the ones inside, your section here under my web pages. And if you've copied a free lead system lead capture page, the good news is that will show up in this section. And you'll notice you're going to have to, change that code just like I showed you. The VQ equals 7 or HD 720 or VQ equals large. All right, that's it. Good luck.